The cosmic microwave background, or CMB, is often described as the afterglow of the Big Bang, providing a snapshot of the infant universe. Discovered in 1965, this faint radiation fills the universe, serving as a time capsule from nearly 14 billion years ago. The CMB gives crucial insights into the universe's early state, offering evidence of rapid expansion and temperature fluctuations that seeded galaxy formations. Examination of the CMB through missions like WMAP and Planck has refined our understanding of the universe's composition, including the mysterious dark matter and dark energy. Each analysis of the CMB brings scientists closer to unraveling the universe's profound secrets, marking a pivotal chapter in cosmological exploration.